This magical prayer carries a frequency that can bring you anything you want. All you have to do, before falling asleep, address any higher source you believe in: God, the universe, the matrix, your higher self, whatever resonates with you, and whisper this phrase 1, 2, or 3 times, but no more than 3 times. Thank you for showing me that this issue is already solved. Thank you for showing me that this issue is already solved. By giving thanks to a higher source, you are aligning with the frequency of the solution, bringing it into your experience. Try this for 7 days and watch all of the amazing things that start to happen in your life.
Comment the word "now" and we will send you a tool that you can use every single day for the next 30 days to program your desire into your subconscious mind, making your dreams manifest effortlessly.